Okay guys, so if you're willing to write every day, then these websites are willing to pay you on a daily basis as long as they keep accepting and publishing your work on their platforms every day. Now all you need to do is to make sure you have the ability to read and write in English. Now most of them don't really need you to have experience, and in most cases they are willing to train you to start up a career as a freelance writer. So if this sounds good to you, let's dive right into it. Now the first website I'm going to be mentioning is one that are interested in things like marketing writing or content writing for marketing purposes. Now they don't really want you to write to them about how to write a blog, how to do SEO, or how to do networking, stuff like that. They have the procedure for you to get started with them on the website. Now this website is going to pay you $60 once they accept and publish any of the work you have sent to them. Another thing you need to know is that most times the length of the work you're supposed to submit to them are usually 600 words, so you don't need to write like 2,000 words for them to accept you on this platform. And like I said, it's usually marketing tips and all those kind of stuff that they are always accepting. In most cases they resell, or they can use it, publish it anywhere, however they choose to do with it. So but what you have to bear is that once you have given them the write-up and they must have published it, you do not really have any right over this. So this is the things you have to know about this website, and the name of the website is weeklywriters.com. I'm going to leave the link to every website I'm going to mention in this video in the comment section where you can easily find them. And when you do, please tell us the one you are going to be giving a try. Now the next website is one for people that are in tech. What they do mostly is about talking about tech related topics, and if you're someone that have interest or have some knowledge about this tech related topic in form of tutorial writing, you can write to them and they care to pay you $50 for each tutorial write-up they publish from you on their website. And most times they give you credit as the author because they publish it on their community part of their website, so you get to see your work there. Now if you're interested, the name of this website is DigitalOcean. I'm also going to leave the link to it in the comment section. You might want to check it out. Now the next website we're going to talk about is one that is more like an independent professional writing platform that allows people to come and get trained, and then they start writing as freelance writers. Now they have people that come to hire writers from this platform, and all you need to do is just to sign up with them. But you have to know that you have to pay some amount of money to be a member on this platform, and they get to train you once you're a member on the platform to be able to learn how to do freelance writing and become a freelance writer. And of course, once they have job on the platform, you are allowed to work on it and then you get paid. In most cases, the jobs they have, as you can see from the website, you see ones that can pay you up to like $6,000 per month, depending. So you see available jobs on the website, and then you can choose the one you get to write depending on what your interest is in. And the name of this website is Contena.co. I'm also going to leave the link in the comment section. Now moving on to the next website, please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel so that other people can get to learn from us and benefit from the contents we push out. Really appreciate you all for your support so far. Now the next website we're going to talk about is one that even students are allowed to come and make some money from there. They usually write about how to prevent scam and how to detect fake news. Now they can allow you to write with AI, like to do your research. They have a lot of guidelines on this website that you are supposed to use to guide yourself once you're making, putting up content together to submit to them on the platform. However, they're going to pay you via gift card, so you should expect to receive a $50 gift card that you can use to make your purchases. And they don't mind if you have experience or if you don't have any experience. So you might want to check out this website. If you're a student especially, you might want to give it a try. However, they have some deadlines for accepting applications, and most cases is usually towards May or June, during that period. So you have every information you need on the website. So if you're interested, you might want to be checking it out and make your applications when it is open. And the name of this website is Change Agent, so you might want to check it out. So moving on to the last website we have for this video. Now this very website is one that people have talked a lot about on YouTube, and most times they don't get to tell people the truth. Now it is important for you to know that this website is not available worldwide. However, if you want to submit your list on this website, you have to use a VPN or something like that to submit your work and figure out how you're going to get your payment once you get accepted. Now this one will pay you $100 for every particular list you make, and it's so easy and simple that they need you to think about a list that is not existing anywhere and put it together in form of an article, like a listicle article that have the list you have created, and then you submit to them. Now what you're going to do is you can actually make money from this way of writing in two ways. You can make a video from your article and publish on YouTube and make money off of it, because there are lots of people making such videos as well. But this website is going to pay you $100 via PayPal to be able to get your list published on their website. So you can check out the website if you're in places like United States, Australia, Canada, and some other places that are on the website that are eligible to submit. But if you're not, you can use VPN like I mentioned earlier. And the name of this website is Listverse. So you might want to check it out and make your list, and hopefully it works for you. So if you found value on this video so far, please don't fail to like, subscribe to this channel. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. We really appreciate you for your support. And if you're looking for other daily paying work from home jobs, you might want to check out this website. Or if you're looking for ways to work remotely, there are companies that are currently looking for remote workers. You might also want to check out this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.